What's up guys, welcome back. I feel like it's been a while, it's been about a month. I meant to make this video a little bit earlier. I started it, went out and rode a few days ago. Thought I was gonna be back on the bike, super stoked. That didn't work out. So for today's video, I mounted a few GoPros up on the Colorado. We're gonna take it up some dirt roads, nothing crazy. And then I'll give you guys some more channel news and just kind of do a day in the life, so stay tuned. I just strapped the other GoPro on the side of the door. I took it off on the way here just because it's super windy today. I didn't want it to fly off because I haven't used that suction cup mount in like the longest time. My Colorado is a 2-wheel drive. It's got 33s on it now. It's got the Method wheels, a little 2-inch spacer up front. So there's nothing crazy, just kind of chilling with it. So we're gonna take it up this fire road and yeah, just kind of go from there. See what happens. Tires are doing great. They haven't rubbed yet, which is my biggest concern, because on the passenger side, or actually the driver's side, rubs a bit when it's at full turn. So don't want to do any of that, but it's been good. Like I said, it's windy out here. We're gonna keep going up and see what else we can find. All right guys, so we kept going up a bit. Some of you might know where I'm at, looking at this little brick house back here. But I started rubbing a bit. I don't know what I was rubbing on. The one thing that does worry me is that I rub right back here on this piece of metal, just a bit, a full turn, but yeah. Might go a little further up. A little further. Just gonna stop here. We put the truck to the test, and honestly it's doing what I needed to do. It's clearing everything. It rubbed a little bit, but it wasn't crazy, so definitely loving this thing. Shout out to Method for the hookup on the wheels. If you saw the Oaxaca series, I sprained my ankle on the second ride, and ever since then my ankle's been killing me. I got back from that trip and jumped on an e-bike, and I was kind of cruising around, but then decided, you know, I should probably take some more time off because it wasn't fully healed. Took 2 more weeks off and just jumped on last week, and I went out to Greer. I was gonna make a video, and I fell on my warm-up lap, re-twisted my ankle, which was a super bummer. And yeah, I kind of lost motivation to make a video from there, but I wanted to put stuff out for you guys. So I went on Instagram and asked you guys what you would like to see next, and a lot of you wanted to see an off-roading style video with my Colorado, so that's what we're doing. If you have any more video suggestions, drop them down below. Again, I'm gonna be off the bike for a little while longer while I heal my ankle. I need videos to make, so hit me up in the comments, let me know what you want to see.